Thank you so much for watching Tech Nurse. Today I am going to show you how to disable programs from running at startup. If your PC is taking a long time to boot, it might be because there are a lot of programs running at startup. Let's get started. You are going to right-click on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen and then click on Task Manager. Task Manager will pop up. Then you will click on the Startup tab at the top. You can select any program you wish to disable and click the Disable button if you don't want it to run on startup. That is it for today. You can click out of Task Manager now. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.